I just got the Sony A7 V in the mail today. Let's open it up and let's dress and rig it up. On the paperwork, here's the strap here. Here's the battery here. Pretty powerful. And now here, through this out, here's the Sony A7 V. Wow. This monitor is so much more beefy here. Oh, wow, I love that. I really miss this. And shooting high up or like that. Without always having to flip it out here. I mean, it's great too, but I mean, I like both. And the sensor here. Partially stock sensor. Let's get the lens. Let's dress it up. My Sony A7 V here, nicely dressed and rigged up here for action. Subscribe so you don't miss what I'm doing with this camera here. I will do quite a few tests and share it with you guys and let you know my opinion, also comparing with the A7 IV, which I actually really liked as well. So subscribe. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching and see you next one. Bye for now. Wow.